case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Supreme Court of Kentucky heard the case of Brown v. Commonwealth, which examined the elements of theft by deception. The case involved Thomas Brown, the former manager of Power's transmission shop, who was accused of intentionally deceiving customers and charging them for unnecessary repairs on their cars. The incident leading to the lawsuit took place during a 1978 undercover operation by state and local law enforcement officials in Jefferson County. Brown replaced an undercover detective's car transmission with a lower value used one, charging the detective $372.82 after telling him the transmission needed to be replaced entirely. As a result, Brown was convicted of theft by deception and sentenced to 2 years in prison. Brown appealed the conviction, arguing that the prosecution failed to prove the detective had relied on his misrepresentation. However, the Supreme Court of Kentucky ruled that the prosecution had successfully proven all elements of theft by deception, including the victim's reliance on Brown's false claims about the car's transmission repair. Ultimately, the court upheld the conviction for theft by deception, affirming the necessity of proving victim reliance on the deceiver's intentional misrepresentations in order to convict someone of the crime.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.